What's going on, everybody? I'm going to do a little quick opening of Yu-Gi-Oh! Magnificent Mavens. 2 boxes. Each box got a pack of deck sleeves in it and some 4 packs, 4 mini packs. Yeah. Which you can get the Pharaoh rares, I believe, and Pharaoh rares and Dark Magician Girl, I think, is the chase out of these packs. Which, no such luck in any of those fronts so far. But I can say I do have a ton of these. No idea what I'm going to do with them. 0 idea. I think I've got like 50 of them. Well, we'll figure it out. Maybe give them away at some point. First pack. These packs are huge compared to the amount of cards that are in them. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon. Sky Striker Mobilize Linkage. Theron Bull and Dark Soul Token. And Nightmare Cerberus. Change of Heart. Keldo the Sacred Protector. A Legendary Ocean. Nightmare Phoenix. Sky Striker Ace Kagiri. A lot of good that did. Also, I'm noticing that there is a lot of misprints where the words are on these being too high or too low. That's a good one. Apopolo, the Bow of the Goddess. Witchcrafter, Confusion Confession. Foolish Return. Chaos Hunter. Dragon Maid Changeover. So something to keep an eye out for, because those have been selling for a decent bit just for the print being off by a hair. Millennium Eyes Restrict. Witchcrafter Vice Madam. Goes and Match. Sword Soul Center Stopping Queen Lontan. Cat Shark. Alright, goes out of the first box. Oh, there's so little bit of cards in them that it makes it difficult to open with how much plastic's on the pack. Ice Dragon's Prison. Gravekeeper's Trap. Dark Calling. Sky Striker Mecha Modules Multi-Roll. G-Golem Token. Millennium Eyes Restrict. Agido Ancient Sentinel. Sword Soul Blackout. Sword Soul Tia. Sky Striker Ace Ray. No. Sword Soul Moyi. Kelbeck the Ancient Vanguard. Theron Bull and Sword Soul Supreme Sovereign Chinyan and Shinaru or Shiranui Solitaire. I don't know. No matter how I say it, I'm going to say it wrong. So, last pack. Can we get lucky? Evenly Matched. Witchcrafter Confusion Confession. Magician's Vestige. Witchcrafter Hain. Sky Striker Ace Kagiri. Ah well. No Dark Magician Girl or Pharaoh's rare. A little bit of bend in that pack, isn't there? Let's see. Pull that pack to the side. Yeah, that's the bad thing about these cards is the way they were packaged they tend to have a lot of errors on them. Let's see. Which, I mean, it's not too bad. Not bad. But, you know, thanks for tuning in. zrarefinds.com, you know, with the dash or without. Hope it gets better.